briefing that's expected to take place here at noon live on ABC15.com. So make sure you stick with our coverage throughout the day. I'll send things back to you.
It is a reminder that in the midst of this, there are families, right, who are being impacted, and our thoughts are certainly with them today. So we do want to check in with ABC 15's Fort Hatchett, also out assessing a lot of the damage throughout the morning. And this morning he joins us from 51st Avenue and Buckeye. It sounds like we're seeing a lot of down power lines, Ford.
Hey, that's right, Kaley. I mean, you and I both rushed out the studio this morning when we heard about this, and we're actually closer to 51st Avenue and probably the I-10 right here. There's been a lot of damage. There are down power lines. The SRP crews are out working on it, and some of the damage is just immense. I mean, we saw signs. There's a QT across the street, and you pan over here, we'll show you. That sign that's on the ground over there, that is a QT sign. That blew all the way over here. If you look across, the Carl's Jr. sign is down. There's cinder blocks down. Everybody's signage is going to need some work. And we're also looking over here at some of the car damage we've seen. Trees are down. We've seen some roofs damage. But here we're looking at the Avis and Budget dealership and just windows blown out. And we'll talk to Angela right here, who's been it's a busy morning for Angela, who's just sorting through the damage. What all are we looking at here?
So out of 9 vehicles, I had 7 damaged, 3 shattered glass and 3 busted glass and some body damage in one of my moving trucks.
Yeah, it wasn't just these vehicles, right? One of those big semis.
Yeah, the semis, one of the trailers lifted about 3 feet and scooted next to another rig.
Oh, man. So today's going to be a long day of just...
It's been a very long morning already. It's lovely Arizona heat.
I know, and it's not getting any cooler quite yet. Angela, thank you. I appreciate it. Good luck to you today. And it's, you know, not just Angela. Everybody's working hard today. We talked to some of the SRP folks that are working on these power lines. Ones we spoke with said they have been out since 1 in the morning, and I asked them, well, how long will you be out here today? And they said probably 1 tomorrow morning. It's going to be a long day, and again, it is hot out here. We're already sweating, and it's going to be a long day for a lot of crews as the cleanup begins and continues. We'll send it back to you guys.
It is quite rough out here when it comes to humidity, right? And all of this heat that we're experiencing. So many of you, our viewers here at ABC 15, have been great about sending your pictures and your video into the ABC 15 newsroom. We appreciate it, because this is how we're able to tell the weather story where you are. I want to begin with this power line here, again, kind of to piggyback on what Fort Hatchett was just showing us. And again, it gives you an idea of just how strong these downburst winds were with the line of microbursts that we did see. Also, another photo coming into our inbox this morning is this. It's part of a backyard wall that did take a tumble, parts of it anyway, and a little later, I would imagine, in the day and throughout the days ahead, we'll get a better idea of exactly what happened there in this backyard of this part of the valley. And also, you can see when it comes to context, right, how massive this tree is, and that young lady sitting right there to give us an idea of what happened at her house last night. I want to show you this as well. If you weren't stuck in this in the morning ride, this is what you would have been facing if you were on the 10 at 43rd Avenue. Some spots, we did see some pooling out there in the roadway because of the heavy rain after it did hit. And in some West Valley neighborhoods, we've continued to see extensive damages. And those photos and the videos that you sent our way really helped us to continue to tell the story throughout our morning hours and now here on ABC 15. I want to get you out to ABC 15's Amelia Fabiano, who's been working hard to share this part of the weather story.
We're not far from downtown Phoenix right now near